Hi everyone, welcome back to in today's video. I am going to break down how you can make $55,000 a month with ClickBank affiliate marketing whenever you are a complete beginner or have some experiences. I am going to show you the exact steps you need to take to reach this goal. Introduction to Blink Bank. Introduction to Blink Bank. First off, now, if you are not familiar with the ClickBank is one of the largest and most popular affiliate marketing platform out there. If it offers a wide range of digital products across the various niche, meaning there's something for everyone to promote. The best part, you don't need to create any product yourself. You simple promote someone else products and earn a commission every for sale your guarantee. Step 1, niche selection. Niche selection, the first step to making money with ClickBank 2 is choosing the right niche. To determine your success is affiliate marketing. You want to pick a niche that is both profitable and something you are passionate about. Some of the most profitable niche on ClickBank include health and fitness, make money online, relationship, and self improvement. Once you have choose your niche, it's time to dive into the ClickBank marketplace and find the best products to promote. Step 2, product selection. Product selection. When selecting a product to promote, you want to look for a few key things. Highly High gravity score. This includes that the product is selling well, good commission rate. Look for products with a commission rate of 50% or higher. Solid sales pages. The sales page should be professional and convincing. After all, this is where your audience will decide whatever you to buy or not. Let's take a good look at a product when it high gravity score is in the choose niche category. As you can see, this product offers a mentioned commission rate, e.g. 75% commission, which is fantastic. Plus the sales pages is well designed, which makes it easier to convert visitors into buyers. Step 3, building a sales funnel. Building a sales funnel. Now, just promoting your affiliate link is not enough to make $5,000 a month. You need to build a proper sales funnel. This typically involves three main components. Landing page. This is where you capture you or your audience email addresses. Offer them something valuable like a free ebook or guide them towards purchasing the product. Sale pages. Finally, direct your leads to the product sales pages using your affiliate link. Having a sale funnel increases your chances of converting prospects into paying customers. Third, by boosting your earnings. Step 4, driving traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. Without if you won't make any sales. There are several ways to drive traffic you to your sales funnel. Free traffic. You can use social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest to drive free traffic. Creating valuable content that responds with your audience will attract them to your offer. Paid traffic. If you are want faster results, consider using paid ads like Facebook ads or Google ads. With the paid traffic, you can target specific, making it easier to reach people who are likely to buy. For beginners, I recommend starting with free traffic methods to test your offers before investing in paid traffic. Step 5, optimization and scaling. Optimization and scaling. Once you have set up your funnel and started driving traffic, it's time to optimize and scale. Keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working and what's not. Tweak your landing pages, emails, and campaign to improve conversion rates. As you start seeing results, investing your earnings into more traffic and scale up. This could mean increasing your ad spend of expanding into other traffic sources. Call to action. So there you have it, a step by step guiding to making $12,000 a month with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Remember, and presents are key. Start smart, test your strategies, and scale up as you see success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to channel for more tips on making money online, and hit the notification bell so you never miss you an update. Also, let me know in the comments below that niche you're thinking of targeting.